guys, I know I told you about Knockaround before. I'm not sponsored by Knockaround or anything, but this brand is absolutely amazing. I just ordered 3 pairs of sunglasses from Knockaround. They were 70% off, and so basically I got 3 pair for the price of 1, and I want to show you what I got. 2 of them were pairs I already had, but I wanted to get again because I've worn them out, just wear and tear. I've had them for a few years, and so I got those 2 pairs, but I also got a pair that I haven't gotten yet, which is this pair here, the Transformer pair. Look at the attention to detail they put into their products. It's absolutely amazing. Nerf pair, and then the G.I. Joe pair. This is probably one of my favorite pair. But I love these Nerf because they have Nerf foam nose pieces. Extreme grip nose pads, they're amazing. I'm gonna open up these now and show you guys. The first pair I'm opening up here is the Transformer pair, since I haven't seen them. They each come with their own individual bags. Look at that. That is cool. Optimus Prime. Well, let's pull them out. Look at the colors. Right there, there's a little Optimus Prime on the lens. Turn them around. Got the Knockaround. On the inside, Transformers. Autobots, roll out. So they even sent a pair, or a sticker. They sent a sticker, Knockaround sticker. And the next pair I want to break out are the Nerf pair. What kid didn't love Nerf when we were younger? So that's the bag. And then these pair, I love the colors on these pair. So the dotting, and then Knockaround logo on the outside. You got Nerf there, the color shading. Pink on the inside, blue nose grips there. Very nice. Love them, love them. Alright, switched them out. Yeah, these feel amazing on my face. I just love them. Not that this pair of hair doesn't. But let me try the Nerf, because that nose pad, I really like those nose pads. I feel like this pair is comfortable on my nose. Yeah, this pair is really comfy too. Man, this is more grip, more grippy. They're not gonna fall off your face. All these pairs are amazing. Go check out Knockaround if you haven't yet. They got amazing, affordable sunglasses. Each of these pairs cost me about 13 bucks because they were 70% off. So, I mean, if you can't catch a sale like that, they're still well worth it paying full price. They're not that expensive. I think maybe 20-something dollars. Go check them out. Winter seems to be coming to an end here in Michigan, and it's bright outside, and I love it. I love the summertime, and I can't wait for this summer. I plan on getting some underwater shots with my GoPro, because it's just something I really enjoy doing. But it's bright outside, and I got LASIK eye surgery while I was in the Marines, and my eyes are sensitive to light now, and I had to wear sunglasses, otherwise my eyes get strained out and I start to get a headache. And I'm endorsing Knockaround sunglasses because these sunglasses, they have so many to choose from on their website. Not only that, but they're super affordable, they're comfortable, and I've been talking to the people at Knockaround, I consider them my friends now basically, for about a year now, I've been trying to get them to make me a pair of DuckTales glasses. I've given them that idea. Like, DuckTales is one of my favorite childhood shows, and I think it would be a super cool looking pair of sunglasses. All their sunglasses look really cool, but a DuckTales pair, come on now. I also floated the Disney Afternoon pair, just all the cartoons from the Disney Afternoon, make a whole collection of it. And also, since I do a lot of woodworking, I floated them the idea of making a cool pair of safety glasses that I could always wear. And I'd just like to give Knockaround Sunglasses a big shout out. And the final thing I'd like to discuss, Mr. Moyer, I'm talking to you, Adam Moyer, Ace, I don't know what you go by personally, but I'm Eddie. If you're looking to hire another creative genius for your team, I'm ready to sign on. My schooling ends in June. I'm currently attending SamBeauford Woodworking Institute, and I've been enjoying my time there immensely. But that's coming to an end, and now I'm available. I'll be available June 1st, as a matter of fact. That's when I graduate. So if you want me, I'm available to your company. I feel like I'm a great fit for Knockaround. I love the Knockaround company, and I'm here if you need me, however you need me, whether it be a brand ambassador or helping you design glasses, coming up with ideas. Basically, whatever you need, I'm available. Your company knows how to get a hold of me. I've been in touch with them for a few years now, and I really enjoy what your company does. Like and subscribe, guys. I got videos I put out every Friday. It's mostly me talking about things I enjoy in life, such as Knockaround sunglasses, and just basically living my life. And then I throw in a lot of my woodworking from SamBeauford Woodworking Institute in there as well, and what I got going on there. Thanks for watching again. God bless you all.
But it's just a sweet, sweet fantasy, baby.